All right, friends. Hello, this is Ellie, and it is time for the room tour of the room number 10,257 on Carnival Vista, located on deck 10, which is the Lido deck. And guess what's the best part about this? Look at this. There's Lido right there. That's the elevators. You walk this way. You make a right. Okay. Make a left, and this is our room. Oh, look at that. Room 10257. And as you know, we always hang some stuff. Magnets we bring with us. We got our QR code for people to sign up. We got beads. We got things like that. But anyways, let me show you the room. As we come into this beautiful masterpiece of a room, as always, right behind you, you will find your evacuation instructions and your muster station. The muster station here is B4. You will find it right here. It's located in the casino on deck 4. Here. On to your left, you will find the wall. These hooks I bring with me, these are magnetic hooks I buy from Amazon. You could check out our shop on Amazon where I list the things that we get there. And we get a small commission from that if you buy from that store. On to your right, you have another hook that is stationary. It comes with the room. Let's see how much storage closet space we have. We got a bunch. So this is first door. And this is where I keep my thingies. Okay. There's also a full-length mirror here. Okay, and this one I got in Curacao yesterday for $5 at the store called Store Closing. It's not closing, it's the name of the store. Store Closing, everything $5. Check it out. Okay, second closet. You got 2 hanging situations right there, okay? That's where Adam has his stuff. Third closet. Shelf, shelf. Safe, shelf, drawers. We got 3 drawers. Really, really nice. Next, vanity time. On the vanity, you have 3 pretty nice size, probably foot by foot shelves. You got a telephone down here. You have your mini fridge, which is an actual fridge, not a cooler. It's an actual fridge. You have a middle center drawer as well with your hair dryer over here. Really handy. Very nice. And you got a vanity light. You have 2 USB plugs. USB 1, USB 2. 2 regular American plugs. And a European one. A telephone, naturally. Here's your little bar area. Nothing above it. Just a pre-lit mirror. Nice size TV. Also, you see all these hooks. Naturally, you can tell I brought them. On this side you have a sofa, very nice sofa, a coffee table, nightstand, more hooks that I hang up. Okay, over here on the nightstand you have additional storage right there. There's a similar one on the other side. There's a lamp. There are no USB chargers by the lamp. You have exact same situation on that other side, and I'm not going to mess with all that. A little shelf here. So this is not deep enough to store your towel animals, so they live on top of the couch. Okay, here we have a light for the outside balcony. The balcony has there's a lock right here, see? So if you need to lock it, if you got like children or something, this is where you would lock it, but otherwise it stays open, unlocked, because nobody can get through. And the balcony is really nice. So we have here 2 chairs and a table. Not the deepest balcony in the world, but it's okay. Not the most shallow. We've had worse. It's okay. I've sat out here in the morning and drank some mojitos, not coffee. No, we drink mojitos in the morning. Drank a mojito, had a little muffin, played a little Sudoku. That's what I did. Anyways, back in the room, we have, so this is kind of the view. It gives you the perspective of the size of the room. This is, TV is nice. It's like 50-inch or something. Oh, and right here we also got a little magnet board. Well, we write little notes to each other or to the room attendant. And if you don't know, because a lot of people ask me where I keep all my luggage. Under the bed. Okay, it's right there. It's where it lives. It fits perfectly there. I don't see any reason to keep it anywhere else, like in a closet, because it fits so well. Right under the bed. Okay, let's show you the bathroom. Let's go. The lavatory time. Usual fare. You have the shower with a curtain, and this vintage of ships, the curtain was predominantly used. Got the shower gel here and shampoo, conditioning shampoo. Adjustable shower head, which is pretty tall. I'm 5'2", so it's really, really tall for me. But, and this particular room also has this. I don't think it's an accessible room, but it got this, and I use it. It's really nice for shaving. Not gonna lie. Okay, I don't see how any else, like the walkways are not any wider, like for wheelchair. It's not really wheelchair accessible. But hey, you know, we'll get a little stool. I'll take it. And here we got 3 shelves on this side of the vanity. We got 3 shelves on this side of the vanity. We got the vanity with tissues, okay, TP, waistband, so TP here, and the towel rack, as well as the magnifying mirror. Also inside the shower, you have this to dry your swimsuits. You just put it on the other side and that's it. Back of the door has hooks. I think this is it. I think I covered it all. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this tour of room 10257, Lido deck, balcony room. It's forward, starboard, forward to midship, starboard. What a wonderful location. So close to everything. By the way, the spa and the gym, just 2 decks up on deck 12. Serenity is right above us on deck 15. 4 decks up because there's no deck 13. Lido's literally right here. So you just walk like a few feet and boom, you're in the Red Frog pub. And the buffet and all that other stuff. Amazing. If you could get yourself a balcony on deck 10, please do. Please do. You will thank me. You will thank yourself. And you will thank the person who booked it for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Happy cruisers. See you on the next one. Bye.